How we doing, folks? So I'm going to do another wee review, another torch review. Right, so big thanks to Brinyte again. Right, who sent me another torch. So this one's the T28 Artemis. This one's a zoomable and tricolour flashlight, 5-year warranty. So looks a nice one. So zoomable flashlight, tricolour light source control, utilises a Cree white LED. So it's got a white LED, a green and a red LED. Right. It's got a unique tail stepless dimmer switch. You can adjust any brightness you need basically. It's powered by a 21700 rechargeable Li-ion battery. It's got the rotating head to zoom in and out with the beam. It's got a stepless dimmer tail switch. It's got a threaded lens for more effective concentrating effect. It's got a regulated power supply. It's got the overcharge, over discharge and overheat protection. And it's made out of aircraft grade high strength aluminium AL6061 T6 military hard anodised anti-abrasive finish. Right, technical parameters. It's got, let me see, the highest in white is 650 plus 360 lumens. The highest in red is 140 or 55 plus lumens. And the highest in green is 130, 70 lumens. So I think you can adjust it, like dimming it and making it brighter. So in the white light it's got a run time of 135 minutes. On the red it's got 220 minutes, and on the green it's got 270 minutes. Right, beam distance 525 plus metres or 572 yards. So that's a powerful torch. Right, it's got a few extras. This is it's actually a hunting torch, so I think you can attach it to like a, not that I go hunting, right, but see if you've got like a rifle or something, you can actually attach it to the side of it. Right, intensity, right, just saying, impact resistant to a metre. Dimension wise it's 182 by 196 millimetres in length, 25.4 body diameter and 54 millimetre head diameter. Net weight it's 200 grams and that excludes the battery. So enough of me talking about the specs. Let's get it out and see what it's like. So I've already got, I think maybe three of these, three different torches for Brinyte. They're all good torches. But this one is, like I say, the T28 Artemis. Right, so like all the Brinyte torches, comes in a very nice kind of box. Right, rip it out, open it. Oh. Right, opens up. That's the box there. You obviously get the wee manual with it. Right, you get the actual torch. So this is it here. We'll go through this in a wee minute. But very nice looking torch. Right, you get a wee lanyard with it, which I've put on already. And that basically just clips in the wee kind of bottom section here. You just tie it on. Right, accessory wise, see what we got. Right, you obviously get the charging cable. You get the spare wee O-rings. Obviously that must be for the waterproofness. And then this section here, this, I'm assuming if you're hunting, it's almost like a wee remote control thing on it. So that basically slots onto the end, and that would go to the, well, I take it that goes to the edge of your rifle. And it's got an on off button, and whether you want to dim it or make it less dim, or dim it or make it brighter, sorry. Right, but again, very nice. Right, I doubt I'll be using that part because I don't own a rifle. Right, I don't do much hunting either. But the actual torch, any more details. This is the actual torch here. So I don't know how well you can make that out. Probably see it's got the Brinyte logo on the side of it. Same as the other torches, switches on at the end there. Just click that. I'm going to, like I say, I'm going to take this out when it's dark, so it's still kind of light just now, but I'll do a wee test later on with 3 different tricolours. I said tricolours, right, but it's just a wee kind of switch in the middle, right, so if it's set in the middle it's on the white, or you can turn it to the red, or you can turn it to the green. Right, to adjust the zoom on it, it's just a case of you turn this round so you can either have a spot or a mid-wide beam with the light. 200 grams minus the battery, so it's maybe not the lightest torch, but again, all depends. You're not going to be out hiking miles and miles. It does look another nice torch with Brinyte. But what we'll do is, once it gets dark, I'm going to get out and show you what it's like, and show you the kind of length of the beam, etc. Right, what we're going to do. There's probably not much point in putting it on just now, it's still light. Just flick it on quickly, like that. Oh, it all went pear-shaped there. I wonder what I was doing, right? So, it's just a case you flick it on at the back. Right, that's obviously the white light, that's the green, and that's the red. So, again, you can't really make it out because it's still light just now. But what we'll do, once it gets dark, we'll give it a good go and once that's right with full beam. Oh, steady. A windy day today, right, but then you can see it's got the spot as well. Definitely looks a nice light, nothing to do like the look of it. Right, so to adjust the kind of beam where you want it, it's just this bit at the front, so it basically just turns round, very very simple. Right, to adjust the brightness, it's the on button at the back, and basically just turn that round. So it does go to, I think, what did I say it was? 650 lumens on the white, excuse me, on the white light. Sorry, I probably blinded you there. So again, another bright torch. But I do like the fact it's got the 3 colours on it. The white, the green and the red. So that's ideal, especially if you're stealth camping. Especially the red, just to keep a low profile. And the green as well. Might actually be quite good, I dare say, if you're hunting as well. But even like for night photography and stuff like that, I think that'll be quite useful. I think if I get my Nikon camera out, that should be quite good for getting some kind of different photos. But what we'll do, I'll put it away just now, wait till it gets dark, and we'll bring you back. Once it's dark, we'll show you what it's like outside in the woods. Stay tuned. Right, it's all went dark, so let's try it out. So that's it at just on the kind of spotlight. So I mean, it's definitely a bright torch. Right, what I'll do, I'm trying to do this with one hand. Oh, switched it off again. And again. So what I'll try and do, give me a wee second. I'm gonna, so that's it at full brightness. So you can see, and that goes for miles. It says it's 530 metres. Right, what we'll do, so that's it at the full brightness. Now I'm going to adjust the beam. So you can see from that, oof, I tell you it's like daylight. It's definitely a very bright torch. And literally, it lights up everything. Look at that. So, very impressed. And then while we've got it on that, we'll just see what the colours are like. So that's the green, so it's almost like night vision. And then that's the red. I definitely like this torch. I think this is the best one. Yeah, the green is definitely, almost looks like night vision, doesn't it? Fantastic. Well, pleased with that.